In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your website's look using the Wix editor in Chrome. This is a fantastic tool for making your site stand out with a cohesive color scheme that truly reflects your brand or personal style. Whether you're building a site for business, personal use, or a special project, the color scheme is one of the most impactful design elements. So let's dive into the steps that will help you achieve a polished and professional appearance. First, make sure you have Chrome open and then log into your Wix account. Once you've opened the Wix editor, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, you'll want to navigate to the Design section. Clicking on Design will expand a host of options related to the aesthetics of your site, allowing you to have full control over how it looks to visitors. Next, click on Colors in the Design menu. This is a crucial step because the color section is where all the magic happens. Wix offers a variety of preset color palettes that you can choose from, each designed to evoke different styles and emotions. Take your time to scroll through these options. If one resonates with your vision, fantastic. Go ahead and select it. However, if you have specific colors in mind, consider creating a custom palette. This is ideal if you have brand guidelines or particular hues you want to incorporate. Creating a custom palette is straightforward. You can manually pick and adjust the colors, relying on the color picker tool or entering exact color values if you know them. This ensures that every shade on your site aligns perfectly with your vision. Once you have your colors set, it's time to apply them. Now, you'll want to systematically apply these colors throughout your site. This includes backgrounds, texts, buttons, and any other elements where color is an option. Changing the background color can instantly transform the mood of a page, while a consistent text color enhances readability and professionalism. Don't forget about the buttons and interactive elements. These should stand out yet remain harmonious with your overall theme for easy direction. After you've applied your chosen colors, it's crucial to save your changes. The last thing you want is to lose your work. To preview how your site looks with its new color scheme, use the preview function. This allows you to see exactly how your visitors will view your site and helps you ensure that everything appears as you intended. If something isn't quite right, don't hesitate to tweak the colors until you're satisfied with the look. And there you have it. With just a few thoughtful selections in the Wix editor, you can have your site looking exactly the way you want it to. On that note, happy designing.